My uncle gave me this Vizio 75-inch 4K TV model number P759-G1. There is no light indicator, no power, and no sound. As you can see, when I press the power on the remote control, it doesn't turn on. He said if I could fix it, it's mine. Let's open it up and see what's wrong with this TV. So I usually put a couple soft pillows in the floor so I could lay the screen onto the floor. This is left hand side, and then they'll have same working on the right hand side. Start taking and you take them out. Okay, so I just lift it up. As you notice, there's this cable. Pull it up. Okay. And yeah. Make sure you have somebody to help you out. So here you have the motherboard. And then you have, I think this is the LED driver, I think. Okay, and then this is the power supply. So typically, if nothing works when you press the remote and no lights, usually it's this power supply here. So press on the switch, pull it out. You press on the switch, pull it out. Press on the switch, pull that out. Got the board off the TV, put on the desk here, and going over to see if I could see some visual damage. You know, so far the capacitors are looking good. They're pretty flat in back, pretty flat, so that's a good sign. You don't see any burn, but look what I saw. There's a crack on this transistor here, so that may be the problem here. The next thing we want to do is check to see if we have a 5-volt standby power, and that usually is the one that connects to the computer. Here is the location of the pin. You have row 1 for pin 1, row 2, pin number 2, and we're looking for PS2 underscore on. And then we're going to measure here 1, 2. I just plugged the power in. A reminder that it's a high voltage area, so do not touch any component on this board since it's already open. Okay, so I'm going to switch it to DC volt. I'm going to take my black lead, and any of the heat sink housing here is grounded. So what you do, put your black lead here. You take my red leads to number 2. Touch 2. You see I don't have anything, just no movement at all, just a few. Nothing at all. Okay. Okay. That's a sign that this main power board is out. Let me go search the internet to see if I could find a replacement for that transistor. Woohoo! The transistor's here. Alright. I'm anxious to see how it works. Alright. The best practice is always clean your area here of the old heat sink glue, so you get a good heat transfer from here to the heat sink. And always use a new heat sink, don't use the old one. Alright? Alright, so the new transistor just started in place, so I'm excited. I'm going to see if that solves the problem. So let me plug it in. Oh crap! After I heard the pop, I opened the TV again and take out the board to check again. This time is the one next to it. This is a new one. The one next to it. It has a hairline crack. You can hardly see it, but I could smell the smoke coming from there. I don't know why that one pops when I plug it in. So we're gonna investigate a little bit more. So when I turn the board over, this the transistor I just soldered in. Follow all this. This dial's good, but then this resistor here on top looks like it's kind of cavitated out, so it's kind of hard to see with the naked eye, but you have to have a magnifying glass to look at it. I'll try to take a picture as close to show you what it looks like. So I guess this board is shot, then might as well just order a new power board. Yay! My new power supply board is here. I was able to find the exact board on eBay for $65 plus shipping. That's about $80, and we're gonna put this in and hopefully it solves the problem. Cross my finger. Plug in my power cord. Plug it in. Okay, I close the curtain so you can see all the LED brighten all the way around. You see like that, so that's a good sign. This, the flathead. Then we need to go down here, here and here. There's three of us. Turn the TV on, and we have a Vizio symbol. And then we have a setup screen. I just got myself a 75-inch 4K TV. Thank you, Uncle. Lesson to learn from my mistakes. Don't quickly jump to a conclusion. There could be something else that contributes to the failure. I hope this video helps someone to fix their Vizio 75-inch 4K TV instead of throwing it away.